Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I want to show you how to connect the sports wireless Bluetooth headphones or earphones with an iPhone 7 or an iPhone 7 Plus. So basically, the first thing you want to do is go into the settings on your iPhone and then go to where it says Bluetooth. Then you turn that on. And as you turn it on, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. Next up, on your wireless earphones, you'll see the center button. Make sure these are off to start off with. So while it is off, you're going to hold down that button in the middle and hold it down until you see the blue-red blinking light, just like that, all right? Once you see that, let it go, all right? So make sure it's doing that. It's got to be in that's pairing mode. And then by that time, you will see what is known as Bluetooth music. So your name for the earphones may be a little bit different, but it should be something like that. So once you see it, tap on it, it will connect automatically for you. It will show you that it's connected, and then the blue-red flashing lights will stop, and you'll just see that occasional blue blinking lights. And of course, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.